Vermont, Mapleview Farm back. We're gonna do some quick shooting today. My other daughter's up, boyfriend and everything else. We're gonna spend a little time, a little gun safety and shooting technique, but first I got to improvise a couple target holders. So we're just rigging some stuff together to get ready to head back up into the field where we do all of our shooting. So we'll meet you guys up there. Hey guys, how we doing? Have a good day. Alright, so like I said, quick, cheap, improvised. Some scrap wood from other projects, some cardboard off other stuff, jam these into the ground, get the sticky targets, put them on top. Like I said, it's just a quick day of shooting, so just some improvised quick targets. So. Alright, so we're just up to the top piece of the part of the property where we actually mow and maintain. Everything else besides where we just came from, as well as up that way, is all woods and trail roads. So this is pretty much where we do all of our shooting. This is just all going to be handgun stuff today. Today we're going to do a 9mm comparison. We'll go over which guns I brought up in a minute. Alright guys, so we're going to go over, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different 9mm we're going to shoot today. I'm going to lay them all out and we'll go over what they are quick before we start getting ready to shoot. First we got a Beretta 92 FS 9mm, and we've got an old Taurus made in Brazil. This one's an older one as well. Used to be my old man's. He kind of passed it on to me. Pretty much a copy of the Beretta. A Glock 19 Gen 5. Have not shot it yet. Today will be the first time that we're taking this sucker out. Give it a test drive. And then last but not least, my carry for every day, Glock 43. So those are the 4 9s we're going to shoot today. Alright, first set of rounds with the 19 Gen 5. Don't judge me. Not bad. First time out. Alright guys, so everybody took a couple turns. Obviously the triggers and everything are totally different between the Glocks, the Beretta, and the old Taurus. But it just lets everybody get a chance to feel out the different guns, see what they like. All the youngins are coming up on 21 years old, so we're trying to get everybody a little bit more ready for taking their concealed carry class. And
shout out to Mom.
yeah, shout out to Mom. She's not going to be happy, but having an education is how people stay alive. So that's why we're doing this. Gun safety, ear protection, range safety, and on top of everything else, taking the NRA class. But good day. Everybody did pretty good and nobody got hurt.
How many rounds did we shoot?
What did we go through? We went through about 175 rounds. So not bad. Enough to make the neighbors unhappy, I'm sure. So packing everything back up, breaking everything down, heading back. Vermont Maple View Farm out.